On behalf of Expert Village, my name's Tom Rowland, and we're at Cottonwood Motorsports, and I'm here to tell you about doing a service on a Polaris quad, and this is fairly representative of many of them. Right up here, there's this red spark plug wire and spark plug cap, and the spark plug on the Polaris 500 is right here, and I'll put a light up here so you can see it better, but it's right here, under this red cap. And the spark plug is supposed to be changed at the 100-hour service also, unless there's some kind of problem where somebody has, say, had a really dirty air filter and the bike's been running too rich. And anyway, the spark plug gap on the Polaris is 25 thousandths to 28 thousandths as a rule. And this cam chain on this motor that drives the cam is behind this cover, and it has a self-adjusting cam chain. They don't require any maintenance at all unless there's excessive engine noise. Also, the exhaust pipe, you'd want to check the pipe and make sure that the bolts up here are tight and that the springs that hold it all together are good. Also, sometimes these heat shields will get little cracks in them occasionally, and that needs to be addressed too, as it helps to keep the plastic and stuff from melting. Also, the battery on this Polaris is in the front. A lot of them are in the back, and they're actually a little easier to get to than this unit. And most of the batteries are maintenance free these days. They don't have to have any water. But they do need to have the bolts checked to make sure that the battery cables are tight, because that is a common problem, is battery cable bolts getting loose. So the batteries always have to be checked at a service, whether it's a first service, a 50-hour service, or a 100-hour service. That's a really important item. A lot of problems are caused by that.